Struggling with international transfers and outrageous exchange rates? Do you want to send money abroad without feeling like you're throwing cash into a black hole? You're not alone. The world of traditional banking can make currency exchange a headache with hidden fees and confusing rates. But what if there was a better way? Today, we're talking about Monese, the app that makes managing multiple currencies a breeze. This isn't just about sending money, it's about doing it smartly, saving money, and getting on with your life. Monese offers multi-currency accounts, which means you can hold, send, and spend money in different currencies from one app. So, how does it all work? Let's break it down. First, the accounts. Monese lets you open accounts in a few different currencies, like GBP, Euro, and RON, with local account details. This is huge because it means you can receive money from abroad just like a local, which often means lower fees and faster transfers. Now, for the exchange itself. When you need to convert money, say from your GBP account to your Euro account, the process is instant and free between your own Monese accounts. No waiting for days, no guessing the rate. Monese uses the wholesale exchange rate, which is the real-time market rate, and then applies a transparent fee based on your plan. Speaking of plans, Monese has a few options. The basic plan has a small fee on international transfers and foreign spending, but the higher-tier plans offer reduced or even free currency exchange, making them perfect for frequent travelers or international business. When you're ready to make a transfer, you simply open the Monese app, select Pay, and choose the recipient. You'll see the amount, the exchange rate, and any fees up front. There are no nasty surprises waiting for you. This transparency is what sets Monese apart from traditional banks that often hide their profit in a marked-up exchange rate. So whether you're sending money to family, paying for services abroad, or just saving up for your next trip, Monese gives you the power to manage your money efficiently and with complete visibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.